What is pollination? Simply put, it is the transfer of pollen from the male part of the flower to another, to the stigma, which is the female part of the flower. Upon the two's meeting, a plant seed, nut or fruit is then formed.
Some plants rely on animals to assist with their pollination process, while others can pollinate themselves or rely on the wind to do it for them.
This is where the bees come in. While their feeding process, they help to carry the male part of one flower to the female part of another flower. This is how plants breed stronger with every generation.
Bees are easily among the most important insects to humans on Earth. The humble buzzing bugs deserve a huge thanks for helping provide us with our favorite fruits and vegetables, their delicious honey and beautiful flowery gardens.
Here are some foods that wouldn't exist without the bees.
Broccoli,
Asparagus,
Cantaloupes,
Cucumbers,
pumpkins,
blueberries,
watermelons,
almonds.
apples.
cranberries,
and cherries.
The problem is that pesticides affect bees and sometimes kill them. There are 3 types of contaminations and there are 3 types of effects. When farmers use pesticides, machines produce important amounts of fine particles that drift all around the field.
All plant organs are contaminated by the insecticide. Young plants produce toxic liquid. This phenomenon called guttation is normal, but in this situation, the water contains toxic substances. Bees drink that toxic liquid and die. Systemic insecticides are present in the ground and leak to and inside ground. Surface water contaminates entire ecosystems. Soil, water, dust, and rain are contaminated. The entire environment is becoming toxic to bees.
There are 3 types of effects. Number 1, the disorientation. The bees can't find their way back to the beehive and die. Effect number 2, the bees catch a virus and contaminate the rest of the bees, which leads to the effect number 3, the worst effect, the death.
Now we are going to discuss solution. At first solution is to use or to prefer the plants, herbs, flowers that don't need to pesticide because it is very bad for the bees and the plant, so you need to invent other products that don't affect the environment and the pollination process.
A second solution is that you can make your own garden to produce plants and flowers for the bees to pollinate. Then you can obtain your own honey and you don't need to buy it.
If the people haven't got their own garden, they can buy sustainable honey, so the money is for the beekeeper.
A fourth solution is make a project in the school to make the students aware that bees are vital, because if bees die, we die.